Hey everybody, it's me, Lisa Torch, the Goofy Blonde Chef. And today we're gonna make a low-carb, low-calorie, low-fat spaghetti sauce. It's a grass-fed beef spaghetti sauce. I think you're gonna love it. It's super easy and it's done in the slow cooker. So hang on. Here's what we use to make our slow cooker spaghetti sauce. A pound of organic grass-fed ground beef, 93% lean, some good quality olive oil, oregano. I use half a jar of Mid's pizza sauce. This is my cheat kind of shortcut ingredient. It's super low in sugar, but it's got some great flavor and it's gonna add so much to your sauce. So this is my little shortcut. It's not really adding any bad ingredients, so we go with it. And a can of crushed fire roasted tomatoes. Last ingredient, a cup of water. That's it. It all goes in the slow cooker. We cook it low and slow for 4 to 6 hours. That is it. I've added the mids and the water. I'm now gonna add the crushed tomatoes and a little bit of oregano, like so. And then we're gonna get ready to add the beef. It's now in the pot. We're gonna cook this low and slow, 4 to 6 hours. And it's gonna be fantastic, you'll see. Today's pasta substitute is Natural Heaven veggie pasta noodles. It's only one ingredient, hearts of palm. And look at the stats. 2.5 servings per container, 25 calories, 4 grams of total carbs, 2 grams of fiber, so that's 2 net carbs. So this is pretty good, and it tastes great. So then we've taken our hearts of palm pasta, topped it with our sauce that has cooked for 6 hours, a little fresh basil, a little pecorino romano, and this just looks amazing. Well, there you have it. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to this channel, and please stay tuned for the next episode of The Goofy Blonde Chef. We'll see you next time. Thank you again.